Hello, hello! It is a new day on the Pink Block Boy garage thing. Old Farmer Welds did good. They look like absolute crap. They really do. But man, do they hold. That's really all that matters. Now I gotta get to the rear one. I'm gonna try to document it a little bit more. And it's all the way up under all of that. Great. Yeah, Rock Auto gave me the wrong ones. I'm starting to think that I have a weird year of car. That the right motor mounts are not the right ones, and these are the wrong ones. Like Toyota said, we got some spare of these, make them work. I don't know. It's really annoying. But might be able to use these on the old other car. Got this car for free, by the way. Yeah. Do a little adventure. I got that car for free. And I traded the subwoofer for it, so, and I got the subwoofer for free, so that's free. Is that free? That's free. Well, it's time to wake up and get to work. Pro tip: when you know you're going to go into a car, and you don't want to make a million trips, make sure you grab everything you think you can need. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, one of these. Hercules makes a good brand. Japanese car. A 10. A 12. A 14. A 17. And a 19. You have all that. That is a dog treat. Well, hi, little pup. Yard dog. Anyway, that should be all you need. That's the Pittsburgh. Oh, my heart. Walmart makes some great damn tools. This is a heart ratchet. I got a big old set that came with all these sockets. I threw away the box. The box is garbage. But the tools are great. I have hammered on this thing. Like, where is it? I don't know where the big hammer is. Anyway, I have big 5-pound hammer. Smacked this thing perfectly fine. Let's see. Got ratchet wrenches. Impact. Yeah. Where's my yoga mat? Hold on. You gotta have a yoga mat. If you're poor or a creeper's too tall, check this out. Get your old yoga mat. If you got a woman, you'll find one. She never uses it, I promise. Anyway, kind of lay it out with the folds in the back. You just kind of push her in a little, and watch this. It just rolls right in. Oh, look at that. Now it's way far in there. It's a little too far. Easy to pull it. Check that out. And it's so nice and comfy. You don't hurt your knee at all. Jack something up. Do the shake test. Yeah, I'm comfortable getting under that. Grab a light. Harbor Freight light. Best thing you can get. Let's look at this motor mount. Let's see how hard it's going to get to weld it like a farmer. Farmer welds. Oh, crap. It's going to be like way up in there, isn't it? Alrighty. I found it. You can't hardly see it, but it's between these lines. That's the motor mount. There's a little rubber cover on it. Okay. Bolt over here. I actually want to use this to see it a little better. Yep, that's the motor mount right in there. That top bolt's gonna be hard to get to. Ugh. Also, jack straight off the pan. Be a man. Man, this thing looks so good. This engine still looks so good. Yeah, it's got a little oil on it. That's to be expected. Trans. That looks so good. The pink transmission mount that literally no one is going to see. looks perfect. Nice. Well, I'm going to try to wrestle this thing out. Oh boy. It's going to be fun. All right. Got this thing out at the workshop. Got me a piece of plate steel. Cut me a hole. It's not center, but we're going to try to buzz it around here. And buzz it around here. I'm going to do some cleaning up with some grinder work. Using the old front crash. Not front, rear crash bar out of this car. That was for the front motor mount. This is for the rear. Making these solid, very solid. Oh yeah, that's a, I gotta say, for an angle grinder, a Dremel that halfway works, and a hacksaw, that right there, that's a pretty dang good fit. It's a lot better than the last one. We don't burn through it. Yeah, this rubber really likes to catch on fire. Let's get it in the vise and let's try her out. Got that all nice and cleaned up. Oh yeah, that's factory right there. That's center. It don't matter. The wheels don't care if it's flat. They just care if it's clean. It sticks. Oh boy, there's my little lunchbox splitter. Not mine, my brother's, but you know, we'll make do. I think I'll make this work. Oh boy. This is gonna be fun! Kill me now, I'm gonna burn through this so many times. And the rubber will 100% catch on fire. Better take a break and cool off for a minute. Yep, that's some dang old farmer welds. They look like absolute dog dookie, but the one on the outside will hold. I can't get that inside to stick for the life of me. I'll probably wait till Luke gets back because I burnt. Well, here, let me get a pointer here. Get a pointer here. Okay, so burn a hole there. Burn a hole, built it back up, burn another hole, about burn a hole. I built it up on this, but not that. And the only part I even got to stick a little bit, right now, right there, but it's barely on there. Well, I will say though, open up these a bit. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Not that much. Dang it, come on. Okay. I want to grab the base of it. She don't move side to side no more. Neither direction. But I want to weld that so it can't go up and down. So this won't go in until Luke's back. That's good enough for now. Give it a break. I don't want to carbonize all the rubber in case the weld breaks, then I'm really boned. Great. Got that old farmer welded up. Thank you, Luke. Man, it looks like dog dookie, but it's
I bet if you
stuck.
I bet if you hit that with a hammer, it'd be fine. But I mean,
threads. Yeah,
rough threads, but there's threads.
I'm gonna let that cool off, and we're gonna do a 20. Thanks. We're gonna put a new rod bearing in the Corolla again.
Yay.
One that might fix the knock.
Is this the Chronicle series?
I don't know.
What we're doing, like the behind the scenes of the BS.
I don't know. This is gonna be something.
God, that brake clean smells awful.
I know it does. Don't ever get Super Tech. It smells like chlorine. It's terrible.
It is chlorinated because I gassed myself welding on it last night because he wouldn't quit spraying it.
Yeah. Later.
Jackass.
All right. That's this is screwed.
Broken bolt.
I did that with a small ratchet in my hand. That Toyota. Why? So this bearing still clatters. We have an oversized bearing, but it's a bit too oversized.
I think it's about a 5 thou.
Okay.
About a 5 thou, which is not available because they don't fucking make that.
So Luke came up with a brilliant idea. Is we're gonna take my feeler gauges, cut this off, and put it under the bearing for the cap.
I'm gonna put that feeler gauge right here, and then I'll set the bearing on top of it. It should retain it, and we'll see if that spaces it up enough.
Hey, and if it doesn't, take it apart, put a bigger size.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
We're doing some on-the-fly engine science. Now, I know this will probably work, at least make it better, because a lot of racers, what they'll do, if they don't want a full thou, when they buy an X-type bearing for their race motor, they'll buy a set of X's and a set of standards, which will have a thou and just normal oil clearance, and they'll put half and half. They'll put the X on the bottom or the top, doesn't really matter, and they'll have an extra half a thou of oil clearance. This is the same concept.
Okay.
I just need it spaced up and down.
Right.
So 3 thou should do.
Make sure that's just one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. 3.
And what we're going to do with the broken bolt situation is we're going to drill it out and put a bolt and a nut.
Yep. And if that don't work, we're just going to zip tie it.
That or cut the rod off and make it a 3.
I do want it to retain its power, what's left of it.
Yeah, even when it had 4 of that really bad rod knock, it had no gumption.
Yeah, but that rod was kind of off time really bad. Yeah. And that was upsetting the balance.
Alright. He's going to work on this a little bit, and I'm going to try to finagle this motor mount back up in there.
I'll help you out with that, because this is dumb.
This is dumb.
This is dumb. Now, this isn't so dumb.
No.
Still dumb.
Still dumb, but
we've done and seen worse.
this thing's going to rattle so much. It already did with so much with that one.
Oh, dude, it's going to be so nice.
That one still looks all right.
If I can't hear you over the car, I sure as hell won't hear you over that dash.
Perfect.
This rod's eaten. That's some of the bearings still left on it.
Yep.
Right there.
This is science right here.
Yeah, because it's documented or some shit. I don't know.
You might have to trim that. Might be a little long.
Well, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing my test fits.
Well, would you looky there?
I cut that thing just right. Got a little groove for it to sit in and everything. Yep. And then I slap my tang on. Oop.
That's why I'm trying to keep my fingers here, but that didn't quite work.
Well, it's not going to be happy because I got to roll it down. So put it on top. Yep, right there. And then I got to roll it in.
It's got to come my way some. I feel it. Oh, there it goes. Right there.
Now, this is a 3 thou extra bearing. This is a 3 thou undersized bearing. Well, what do you know? Wow, that's
Yeesh.
this thing. How long did this thing run?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Yeah, that's not supposed to happen.
And you can tell it needs to be higher up because it's got wear on the sides, but not that.
Mm-hmm. So, hopefully, that will take up my clearancing, and if it does knock, it'll knock a lot less than it did, and it was already a lot better than it was, because it had a bearing this time. Maybe I can eliminate the knock. I'm okay with it clattering. I don't really care about this thing.
You got to ease up. That'll work for this.
I ain't ease it. I ain't gonna use an ease up.
We're just going to drill it out fully.
Yeah, I'm bolting. I'm gonna put a bolt and a nut in it. I don't care that much.
M6 for the win. Let's go. All right, off of this thing. Oh, using the shovel extension, keeping the piston down. He's drilling out that bolt. You said you need brake clean?
Yeah.
I think there's...
I actually managed to screw it out most of the way.
Nice.
That's kind of cool.
This has got like a quarter left in it.
Yep, that should be enough.
And if you're done with this, you gotta have a shovel when you're working on a car, apparently.
Yeah, good enough.
Okay. I'm gonna leave this in here in case we gotta push it down again, because this makes it pretty easy.
Alright, let me push it up actually.
Okay, go ahead. So, Harbor Freight drill bits, drill through rod bolts. That's good.
Ah, that's good.
Brake clean will do it to everybody like that. Do you have the bolt and nut you need?
I think so, yes. Alright, you got any like PB or something handy?
I got some oil.
Yeah. I just want to put a little oil on it so it's not completely dry.
I guess no. Oh. Where's the oil? All right.
That damn blue shading is fucking my eyes.
Wow. So that's a good one. That's the one we just drilled out, or he just drilled out.
Yeah, there's still like metal everywhere, but it's fine.
It's got a filter for a reason.
Yeah.
Where's the bolt you need?
It's like right there by your left hand.
Got it. You want the washer or the flared?
It doesn't really matter.
Let's do the flared.
Both damn same.
Yeah. Here's that one.
Let's make sure it'll go through. Ooh.
What? You're gonna have to thread it in.
A little, yeah. It's holding itself.
Okay. Yeah.
We're gonna have to spin it a little.
Yeah, I was about to say.
I'm gonna reuse this one, I guess.
Okay, don't tighten it up as much as the other one.
Hold on. Oh, that one fell out.
Okay.
All right.
You want to use that one to kind of hold it up? Actually, wouldn't be a bad idea.
Where's the other bolt?
This one?
No, that one. Right there.
Why do you want this one? You think it's the right thread?
It was worth a try.
Yeah. Just don't tighten that one up as much.
Yep.
I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab a ratchet. Oy.
Grab the ratchet in the 19 so you can spin the motor.
That's what I have the 19. I'm looking for the ratchet.
It should be over there.
Oh, I had it right here for the spark plug.
Okay. There's fucking metal everywhere. Jesus.
Can't hardly do this with one hand. Cool.
Handling in metal.
Heavy metal.
Alright. You ain't gotta turn it too terribly much, I
Right.
guess.
We have to turn it enough to get to it.
Alright.
Probably about like that.
Let me see. I'm gonna have to do this left-handed, which is fine.
Ambidextrous.
Ooh, that's an issue.
But what? What's up?
Shape of that rod ain't gonna let that happen.
Put the nut on there upside down.
Yeah, I'm about to. Hold on.
Unless you think you want to use the other bolt to make it a little longer, but we take the washers off.
Ow! Damn it! I'm laying on the ratchet. Let's see here.
You think you'll get enough thread engagement?
Maybe.
We can use the other bolt.
That's a 12.
Okay. I'm gonna go grab
We're
a 12.
gonna grab me a 12 so I can try to run that one up.
Yep. It's right, y'all. Well, yeah.
This is gonna be hell if we ever have to take that off.
Well, I think if this thing dies, it's dead.
Yeah. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Where's that ratchet? Alright. Got metal in my mouth.
Hope we don't have to need a wrench for the top.
Damn, I'm good.
Man, we have done some
Triggery.
Yeah.
Where's the other socket?
Right here.
Alright. Run that one up some. Now I do want to spin this over and make sure that that nut doesn't hit anything, which it probably will. And if it does, we'll just kind of...
Start it and let it self-clearance?
Probably, yeah, depending on how bad it is.
Yeah. We'll test to see how much torque the starter has.
Alright, we're nearing torque spec here.
Don't go no more than, honestly, that right there.
Right there.
Yeah. Cause,
That fell about like 26 foot-pound.
uh-huh, and the other one, I oomphed it, and it literally freaking broke, so... That's cool. Now that one you can wrench on. That's kind of terrible.
Yeah.
We can actually...
It's bending. And right there, we're going to call that fine. Alright, spin that sumbitch over. See what she do.
We're gonna see what she does. We're gonna...
I almost expect it to hit the bottom of the cylinder. I'm not going to lie. Because of how much that nut stuck up. That's not going to be easy.
Oh,
Go get the long one. If you're going to be down here.
yeah. We'll go ahead and take that one off, then. Tempo. That's good. quality content right here.
Only the finest.
This is what they do from the factory, I promise.
Now this is our 3000 shim that's under it.
Still spins. Got compression.
Well, we ain't encountering any issues just yet. We very well may. Yeah, we're gonna. Damn. It hit the oil galley. That's an oil galley.
Is it the nut?
Top. Yeah. Okay, tell you what, can you back it up some?
Sure can.
And then
How much?
just a little. Where's that ratchet? Where did I put it?
Oh,
I got it.
you got it?
I do need an extension though.
What size?
Yeah.
Well, yeah means I'm grabbing the longest one I can find.
Fine. Okay.
I got a 3.
Okay. Let's see if I
Well,
damn it. See
Give.
if I make that work. Maybe.
You want 6?
Nope, that's actually perfect.
Nice. We'll be back in a moment.
Yeah.
So we turn the nut, or we turn the bolt around so it goes into the top. So it's still technically a stud, even though these are bolt styles. We gotta draw it up all the way. Let's see if I can't get you in there close. So you see what we're doing. Hold on. Yeah, that top part right now.
Is it bending?
No, I'm looking at it through the...
Oh, that bolt is bending. So we're gonna call it right there. That's full thread engagement.
I can
Alright.
still see a gap between the top of the bolt.
Yeah, because of the shape of the rod.
Ah.
That's why we were having clearance issue. Now, that is a lot slimmer. Go ahead and spin that sumbitch over and let's see what it do.
All right. Here.
Yeah. Let me do this first. Got my priorities in mind.
All right. Here we go. Here goes nothing. And also hamburger style. I don't think it really matters now. I think that's going in full rotation, my boy.
Give her another.
Well, that was a whole full rotation.
Yeah,
okay.
but just I want to listen. I want to listen. Whoa. Now slow down. All right, I don't hear anything, so we're good. All right.
You already got the other side tight, right?
Yeah. Let me do a test. No up and down. No side to side. No left to right. All right, let's run it. See what it does.
Alrighty, let's go.
We're gonna put this thing back together and we'll be right back.
All right, give her a go. See if that fixed it. Yeah, go ahead. I got you. Hold on. Try that. Okay, it's gonna be one of these. Just hold it.
Okay.
Excuse me. Try that. That's odd. This thing's running wild.
What's that?
It's for this. It's a grommet. You don't need
That sounded bad.
That really did.
What?
Try it again. Gotta keep it running. It's got an alternator, dude. It's got an alternator.
right, it's dead.
20 over.
20 over.
Cool.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Having some difficulties. We got the 20 over bearing because the 10 and the shim did not work. Hold on. We got to spin it a little. I got to clean that
Still
camera.
runs.
All right. That's now a rivet.
Since that son of a bitch ain't coming back off, may as well. Go ahead and make the nut one with the bolt.
Yeah, I can't really see the difference from here.
Cool.
Nice.
Let's throw it back together.
Tempo. Let's do it.
You hear it start getting easy?
Yeah,
Huh. Well, hook him up.
that's what I'm doing.
See what it does.
Give her a go.
It is getting worse.
You want to drive it or you just want to pin it?
If it blows up, I want it to be moving.
Turn it off. Let's round up some tools first, because when we're done with this, we're done.
Yep. Let's
Cool.
do it.
We're having some difficulties. We got the 20 over bearing because the 10 and the shim did not work. Hold on. We got to spin it a little. I got to clean that
Still
camera.
runs.
All right. That's now a rivet.
Since that son of a bitch ain't coming back off, may as well. Go ahead and make the nut one with the bolt.
Yeah, I can't really see the difference from here.
Cool.
Nice.
Let's throw it back together.
Tempo. Let's do it.
You hear it start getting easy?
Yeah,
Huh. Well, hook him up.
that's what I'm doing.
See what it does.
Give her a go.
It is getting worse.
You want to drive it or you just want to pin it?
If it blows up, I want it to be moving.
Turn it off. Let's round up some tools first, because when we're done with this, we're done.
Yep. Let's
Cool.
do it. Sorry, that was out of place. Let's see if it does it. Sounds like it's running.
I mean, it is, obviously. All right. E-brake? You
Yeah,
got
I
it?
got
Okay.
It's clattering. That's for damn sure.
It sure is.
Hold on, I gotta. Yeah.
Gotta get mom status. It's a Corolla.
No, I just need to get a little closer because Peyton's like 6'4". I'm not 6 foot.
Peyton is taller.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's go beat the hell out of this thing, shall we?
Don't get it stuck. I don't have to pull it out. That's all
If
I
it gets
ask.
stuck, I'm just gonna leave it there.
Yeah, but if it's in a spot, I might have to pull it out for them.
Damn
oh,
it.
Oh, I don't have my gun. Dang it, there's
Neither
deer.
do I.
No, okay.
I am in a car.
We don't care about this car. No, I don't think we're gonna be able to. Okay, we're gonna try, I guess. Fuck. Come on. Go. Okay. Whoa! Slow down. Okay.
That was fun.
Yeah, it sure was.
It's smoking.
Yeah. Yeah, figures.
I hear that engine.
Yeah, me too. It's not having fun.
No,
It's not having. It is having a disco party though, but not in the good way. Yeah,
We're gonna circle back around and go back to the uphill.
Yeah. Gonna take a right. Oh no. Where are you going? That's not a trail. That's not a trail. Yeah,
Give
go
me a
ahead.
second.
Yeah, just go through the barbed wire. That's fine.
I don't care. You almost died on me just then.
Dude, yeah, that's nice. This thing does have like 400,000 miles on it, by the way. It does seem like it wants to run a bit more than it used to. That's nice.
Yeah, but it's still not happy. I hear it.
Right, How about you go back behind the barn and pop up right behind the sawmill where it used to be? You know what I'm talking about. Not the sorghum patch, not that hill. I don't think it'll make it up that.
I'm kind of curious to see if it will, though. I think it will.
Well, it did rain the other day, and it's gonna be soft down there. So if you're gonna hit it, I guess hit it. You know where it's at?
Yep.
You sure fucking do. Oh my God, hell yeah. Oh yeah, it's not happy. Well, you know what to do in the field, just don't flip. All right, let's go. E-brake and all.
Oh, dude, I'm on the floor right now.
Oh, yeah, it's back to normal now. Hey, you might want to go around the field. I don't know if it'll make up the hill. Oh, okay, well, we're going to try it anyway. Hey, okay. Shit. Who needs bump stops? Bump stops are for the weak. Yeah, there you go. Whoa.
It died. It fucking died.
Well, crank it. Oh, this thing's boned.
All right, let's see if it'll go for round 2. What do you say?
I don't know about back there. Well, hell, why not? I guess.
I'm not going back up the hill near the sorghum though.
Okay. You gonna go around where the old sawmill was? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit up down here.
Oh, overshot. Go.
I'm on the floor.
Yeah, she don't have no power. But she's climbing. Wow, I'm supposed there's cinder. Oh, okay. I saw cinder blocks and I thought I was about to lose a pan. oh, around the chestnut tree. Let's go.
All right, gotta find my way back.
That cinder block stood up.
I turned it up.
Oh, yeah, there you go. He's gonna feel for it now.
Right before it dies.
Woo! All right.
Hell yeah, that's it.
Man.
That e-brake sucks, actually.
Hey, uh-huh.
Right where I wanted it. It is idling at like 400. Hold on, I'm gonna step out for a second.
Okay.
Oh!
Ooh! Ooh!
What do you say? One more? You think you can take it?
I don't know.
All right, tell you what. Here's what we'll do.
What?
We'll take it down by the oven,
Okay.
and if it dies down there, then we'll just leave it.
Hey, if it makes it to the oven, can I drive it back?
That's respectable.
Okay.
Oh no, a chair. Hold on.
Uh-huh. That's the whole freaking plan. There she blows.
All right, watch out.
Uh-oh. I thought you was gonna try to flick it with your ass.
I
You just-
was. It wouldn't. It doesn't have enough ass.
Ooh wee.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
Shit, I wrecked the car.
Dude.
on.
What are we gonna tell the insurance?
Fuck. Well, if you want to drive it back.
Yes, I do.
Oh my god. Hey, that's a good car.
Hey, the fan kicked on. It finally got up to temp. The trunk popped. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it busted the well. Ah. You know, I fixed that for him a long time ago.
Hold on, let me just.
You don't need none of that.
If I unplug it, maybe it'll turn off.
There's something.
Hey!
Finally. Oh, dude, the recirc cable. I want fresh air.
That looks like your car.
Wait.
Oh, what?
Oh, this. Oh, excuse me.
May I? Or do you really want it?
No, go ahead. Wow, that was
Where'd it go?
that was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, no, like this is.
I just moved that and it broke. Wow, that's
Oh, that's dangerous. Perfect.
that's
I'll just-
anticlimactic.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh, no,
No, no. You gotta do it with some class.
No, I was gonna cut up the dash.
Oh.
Oh, you know what?
I was gonna try to rip the
I
headliner
just
off.
now realized we never took the airbag module out. I meant to do that. Oh well. Well, Cinder.
Here you go.
Oh, the oil pressure light's flickering.
Oh, now it's just on.
All right, well, hit it.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it turns off when you rev it. It just shut up. Oh, it's back.
It's like an IDI.
It's got fuel knock. It's fine. I fucking boned that oven. All of the junk and the trunk.
Yes. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, we don't need none of that.
Yeah!
I don't know where the trees are. We were supposed to clear this out a long time ago anyway. Like,
Yeah.
Can I have a little fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh fuck yes. Oh yes. Yes, baby. You don't need no fucking push pump. You just need a Corolla.
Oh no, the oven. See what I mean? It doesn't have enough ass to do that.
You really don't. Oh my god.
Oh, that was a log.
This thing is just absolutely.
It's just a peach.
It's a peach. Hold on. Holy fuck, I'm going. Oh, there's the trail. Ow. I just got whipped in the head.
Do make sure that if it blows up, it's not in the tree line.
Oh.
No, keep her running. You gotta keep her going.
Trying to keep that stump.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, man.
Oh no, a cinder block.
Oh, shit.
I've never had this much disregard for a motor. Like, actually,
I am late. I can't lean back because there's a briar behind me.
oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
Let's get this thing in the backyard.
Yeah.
Ow.
Okay, I got it.
You got it? Oh, thank God.
I maybe want to make one more rip in it.
The oil pressure light's still on.
Good.
I'm about half throttle right now, by the way.
Yeah, it's done. Park it right here.
Neutral.
Just, yeah. You want to swap one last time? I'm killing it. I'm gonna make one more pass, and if it doesn't die, you know what? It deserves to live.
God, I got so much shit stabbing me in the back. If we do that again through the limbs, let's roll the windows up.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna head on collide with the other again. Because honestly, that was like actually kind of fun.
I didn't. I had more. I had a lot of fun with it, just going through the fucking woods.
I get it.
If I knew where exactly every tree was, I'd just go straight. This is great though. Where'd you put that light?
The one you were holding?
Yeah.
It's probably in the floor.
I was in the cup holder. We're good. Yep. Ow.
Sorry.
You're good.
That trunk.
Yeah, the e-brake is
Questionable.
Yeah, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, dude, don't hit it that fucking hard. I don't want the fucking airbag to go off. Wait, please, please. Oh, you come on. No! Ah, dang it.
It almost died on me too.
Okay. Yep.
Oh, wait.
Oh, just push it around. How about?
Let me just. Hey.
Yeah, come on, come on. There you go.
It's in gear. Hold on, I got a briar in my ass.
That's what happened to me.
Oh, it's because they're pulled up in the seat.
Oh.
That's
Disco party.
All right, well, let's get out of this hellscape.
Like, send it right here because it bounces a lot. Yeah, there you go. That trunk is like having a lot of. Oh, yeah, there you go.
I was on the floor that whole time.
Yeah, they don't really have much power left in it, but it's still. Hit it hard right here. Woo wee! All right. It deserves to live more.
It does, it wants to.
That was idling at like 200, by the way.
Yeah. But you know what? That was fun.
That was a lot of fun.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
We did our best and it wasn't good enough. And you know what? This thing kind of doesn't care. My other one's in here.
Yep.
I reached to grab the lid. What fucking lid?
Look at the trunk. It's full.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, man.
It's full of its own parts and weeds.
Go ahead and pop the trunk. We'll kill that battery. Hey, Luke.
I fucking slid.
Also, I'm surprised. Oh, yeah, it's smoking bad. Or it's off and it's still smoldering.
Yeah, it kind of does that. When you've been running it like we have.
It's fine.
Oh no, I broke the wing.
You did that when you backed up into the tree line.
No. Oh, I figured out why it doesn't latch.
Why?
I think I bent the mechanism a little bit.
Yeah, that'll happen on these big jobs.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess not.
Honestly, if we go down the trails, it's gonna be more fun if it keeps going up and
Yeah,
down.
it is. I can't wait until it just overflexes and actually ends up breaking the back glass.
Yeah.
That's not gonna be so fun. Anyway, one good whatever the fuck this is for sale. Oh, hey, it's got a little cubby.
I'm surprised the taillights are okay.
Like hell, the one that I direct impacted, it's pretty decent for.
Yeah, and the one on the spoiler too. What about the headlights? Okay.
They're a little bone.
No, and that damage was there before. No damage. The bumper.
I mean, it's scuff. Yeah.
The bumper.
Yeah, it's screwed. Oh, dude, I fucked this fender.
I like how it did all that on these danky ass little street tires that cord.
Yep. Hey, you know what we could do like right now?
What?
That would be pretty funny.
What?
Let's go get that strap. Let's go retrieve the oven. It's tempting, yeah, I know.
It is tempting.
Oh no.
Man, you didn't do it right. Oh,
Man, you didn't do it right.
Man,
I don't.
that plastic is that metal? That's metal. Oh. Oh.
That's a good construction. Here, let's just
Oh, the little motor and everything.
Hold on, let me just throw all the.
Oh no.
No, dude, you missed an opportunity.
Not the driver. Just in case.
You broke that one.
I know. But we might need that one.
No, hold on.
Unless you
I
like
was
hang
gonna-
your head out the
I was gonna pull the wiper off and then just go pink and let it hit the windshield.
That's the glass is still nice in the car though.
I did that to Xander's car in high school
Uh-huh.
on accident. It is warm down here.
I freaking bet.
Hey, just for giggles. Oh, that's almost too hot to touch. How much smoke comes out of it?
All right, put that back.
Yeah, we gotta keep that in there. That's helping it. All right.
Okay.
I'm genuinely impressed, though.
Me too.
Like, it's not doing great.
It really isn't, but okay. There's a reason why this one's broken. I think it's the same deal. Yeah. Well,
That
this thing's gonna live to see another day. Not by much. It's on
Nope.
CPAP.
it will die the next time we do something like that. I almost guarantee it.
What if it doesn't? It just knocks indefinitely.
That you know what? I'll take it. I will take that for $30.
$30.
If it's really underpowered, knocks indefinitely, I'll take it.
Man, I wish we could find like a rally stage around here that let us take it and be like, hey, it'll probably have to get towed like halfway through, but please let us race it.
You know, I will be looking for a motor for it.
Really?
If I can find a motor for the right price,
Yeah.
$150 tops, that runs, it will get another motor.
You know what? Agreeable.
Because that
I
way
gotta
we
work on-
have kind of roughly the same in it.
Yeah. Gotta work on this one.
Yep.
This is the next.
This one looks like it's been through the woods already, but it really hasn't.
No, it's been through a 16-year-old.
Yeah. I would take those headlights out of it, though. Those are nice.
And what, just like put like a pod, like one pod right there,
Yeah.
off center as hell.
Yeah. That would be pretty good, actually.
All right. Well, I believe this episode is gonna be. If this even is an episode, I don't even know.
Dude, my camera skills were bad.
Yeah, mine weren't. Mine were, I think, okay at the very end. But
Dude, I could not keep it focused.
till next
I was
time.
being thrown away.